Rivers are formed by water moved from higher to low ground, and when rainfall occurs, the water is either absorbed into ground or becomes water. Meanwhile, basin divided into three topics, which is a drainage base, strateroid base, and an ocean base. This course studied discussion the problem of water quality pollution caused by sedimentation in Terengganu River, which is the main river starting from the Kenya Lake Dam Hulu Terengganu and end in Kolar Terengganu. Moreover, along the base, there are free checked that existence such as Neros River Basin, Sakati River Basin, Mana River Basin, Kapang River Basin, Talamang River Basin, Sepal River Basin, Porter River Basin, Tasata and Bray River Basin, Pura River Basin, Pa River Basin, Puai River Basin, Juro River Basin, and Salar River Basin with an area about 5,000 kilometers.
Main issue that occurs in Terengganu Basin is sedimentation, which is the main problem that causes the water to deteriorate. The contributors of sedimentation problems are from unsustainable land use activities, especially in development and industrial sector along the river until it creates an open area. Land use development has increased the chance of runoff and erosion by moving the land from its place that will cause detached soil particles to be transported by air or water movement that could affect the water quality. Furthermore, eroded soil particles carried by water often move into stream where it could trigger sedimentation and suspended solids to increase. When sedimentation happens, it could allow another problem to be existed, which is encourage erosion to occur more aggressively due to the presence of sedimented areas, increasing of turbidity, increasing of suspended sediment, and odor of water.
We chose this case study because few people know that sedimentation is also a factor in water pollution. Everyone knows that water pollution is caused by garbage and other factories, but the sedimentation effect is ignored. So it appears that the study of such cases is very important, and sediment transportation plays a vital role in the utilization of water resources. By integrating various cases, we can study sediment measurement techniques and propose strategies for comprehensive sediment measurement in the basins.
First of all, poisoning and organ damage. Uncontrolled land use activity will increase the water turbidity due to the sediment accumulation that penetrated into water. This is not only poison humans through drinking water, but it can also cause cancer, liver or kidney problems, or reproductive difficulties. The second is the lack of potable water supply. When water quality is affected due to the sedimentation, residents are unable to use the water supply for daily use. Number 3, prone to waterborne diseases. When the river water in Terengganu polluted, this will cause the consumer community to get waterborne diseases such as the cholera, typhoid fever, and diarrhea.
Sedimentation is a natural process that works to reshape the earth's surface, and this process required us to adopt the environment and changes. The effect of sedimentation to environment includes the increasing of frequency of flooding area which occur when sedimentation trigger a more active erosion process. Next, sediment in stream bed disrupt the natural food chain by destroying the habitat where the smaller stream organisms live and causing massive decline in fish population. Then, due to the interference of sediment with gill function and gravel bed spawning, high concentration of suspended sediment pose a difficult challenge for aquatic habitat.
First of all is Integrated River Basin Management (IRBM). This is a process of coordinating conservation, management and development of water, land and related resources across sectors within a river basin. Next is reduce the sediment yield from the watershed. This includes reducing the process of soil erosion through management methods such as deforestation, controlled gardening, and terracing.
The third solution is by creating a buffer zone in the upper stream. This can be done by replanting trees or do a conservation activity such as creating a new national park in the Terengganu. By help of vegetation cover, it can protect the soil and topsoil from any erosion agents such as water and wind that can carry away the soil to another place such as to the river. The fourth solution is constructing gabion. By constructing gabion in the area that may potentially occur erosion or that already have erosion can help reduce the sedimentation in the river. This is because the gabion can help prevent direct impact of water erosion to the side of river. It can reduce the total suspended solid inside the river and reduce the sedimentation in the river.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amirul bin Pukin from Faculty Forest and Environment in University Putra Malaysia. So today I will interview about sedimentation problem and water quality. Can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Huzaime bin Ruhatin. I live in Kundasang, Ranau, Sabah.
Okay, Mr. Huzaime, from your point of view, what is the relationship between sedimentation and water quality?
For me, sedimentation can occur when flowing water slows down the process to allow suspended soil particles to settle down. In this process, heavier sands and silts could settle out faster than the finer clay particles. Hence, water quality could be degraded by the mixture of sediment material in clean water.
In conclusion, this study showed about sedimentation and water quality deterioration problems at Terengganu River Basin, Terengganu, Malaysia. The river is polluted by domestic and municipal waste, agricultural activities, industrial activities, and sand mining. Because of that, it has given impact to human and environment. So it's compulsory to control and prevent this problem. This study also has suggested some solutions on how to handle this issue. We need to be a responsible people and give cooperation with other parties to cover the environmental issues that happen in our country.